So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana in Phantom Wallet. So open your Phantom Wallet. So in your Phantom Wallet, you can buy and sell any crypto. So once you open your Phantom Wallet, so what you need to do is just go to buy. Once you go to buy, you can see the first thing is Solana. You have Ethereum, you have Polygon. So just click on Solana. Once you click on Solana, you're gonna put the price of what you want to buy. You can see once you click on this, then you have to click on the means you want to use to buy it. Once you click on it, you can see it's a credit card. You can see once you click on it like this, click on pay with credit card and this, less than this, and Google Play. Click on this. Once you click on it, then click on buy. Automatically you're going to buy your Solana very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.